As the world keeps turning, so do the wheels of the automotive industry. The options? Keep driving forward, or get left in the dust. For businesses that need the right parts at the right time, there's only one choice. At NexaMotion Group, we put auto repair shops in the driver's seat and help them shift into high gear with next-level services and innovation that solve problems and simplify complexity. We'll partner together to provide all the tools and parts they need to offer their customers peace of mind on the road. Backed by over 50 years at the forefront of the aftermarket industry, NexaMotion Group combines the power of strong connection and readily available supplies. And when repair shops need maintenance on demand, our technology and advanced search features help them find the results they need with ease, so that their customers can keep the pedal to the metal with faster service and curated parts. Hey, in the world of automotive, it can be easy to take a wrong turn. But before hearing,
recalculating,
we've already mapped out the road ahead with the advanced solutions that shops need to stay ahead of the curve. Because at the core of everything we do, we simplify complex vehicle repair to help businesses move the needle and keep the world moving forward. NexaMotion Group.